In this video, I'll show you how to watch NBC live without cable. And because I want to, I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Step 1. Use an OTA antenna. Purchase a digital TV antenna and connect it to your TV. Scan for channels and watch your local NBC broadcast for free. Or use the NBC app. Download the NBC app on your streaming device or smart TV. Some content and news streams are free. Full access requires a TV provider login. Or you can watch NBC on Peacock. Sign up for Peacock Premium Plus to watch live local NBC stations and on-demand content. Peacock offers both free and paid tiers with different content access, but I think you will have to subscribe, yes. Step 4, you can also try live streaming TV services, for example YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, Fubo TV, Sling TV or Direct TV Stream. These provide NBC live streams along with other cable channels, with free trials often available. But after that you will have to subscribe. There's also a free alternative, and that is Puffer TV. I don't know if you've heard of it before. Puffer TV offers a limited free stream of local NBC from San Francisco Bay Area via the web browser. There is no app available and limited viewers and no DVR features. And that is how you can watch NBC live without cable. I personally prefer Peacock and then Peacock Premium Plus, but you can choose any one you like. And then this is a picture of my dog because he's very cute and I want to show it. Bye, subscribe.